Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to quickly enter numbers, dates, months, days without typing them. This is one of the skills you should possess as an Excel user. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get into this video. So, let's start with numbers. I will click on any cell here and type 1. So look at what will happen here. You don't have to keep typing 2 then going for 3. What you have to do here, there is a quicker way to do this with the autofill, with the Excel's autofill. Before I show you what you can do here, let me go and activate the on-screen keyboard so that you will see me doing that. So for the on-screen keyboard, Control key, Windows key and letter O, that will give you the on-screen keyboard. So if you type 1 and use this and drag, let's say to 10 for example, so you can see we still have 1, 1, 1, 1 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how do we solve this problem? So to solve this problem, let me go ahead and delete that. To solve this problem, what you have to do is to click on any cell, then type number 1 and go ahead and hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then go drag it down from here. You can see we are good to go. So we have 1 to 10 as you can see. So that is how to do it. So one thing we can do here, we can have a sequential increase. Let's say we want to increase our numbers by 10. So when we have 10, the next one should be 20, right? So how do we, if you drag it from here, you see we still have, so how do we get it right? What you can do here is this. You will have to type 20, select both cells, and from here just click and drag. You can see we have it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We can do a quarterly increase as well. Let's say we have 1.25 for example. Then after 1.25, what follows? It should be 1.50. We are doing it quarterly right now. 1.50, and here is what we have. So when we select both cells and then drag it from here, make sure when the cross appears, the black one, click and drag it down. As you can see, we have the increment in, we have a quarterly increment. As you can see, you can increase the decimal point by going for this, decreasing it by going back. You can put it this way, left align, center, and align right, depending on what you want to do. So that is it for the numbers. Now let's go click on any of the cells, then let me type January. I will then enter and click and drag. You can see we have January, February, March, April, November and December. So we can go for the short form of this as well. So we can go for the short form of this as well. The first three letters, January, and then enter. Let's click and drag. You can see we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November, December. You can select this and go for center, left align. So that is it for months. Okay, where are we? For months, we can go for dates. Today 05 for date, 06, so here we can click on that and drag, as you can see. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 automatically. You don't have to type manually with the help of the autofill. We can go for like a sequential increment here as well. Let's go for every 3 days. If we start from 05, 06, 2022, and then the next increment will be +3. So that should be 08, 06, 2022. Then what you have to do here is to select both cells. Then from here, click and drag down. You can see 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So for days of the week, we can have Monday, then enter, or just have to click and drag down. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let's go for the short form of it. Monday, enter, then click here and drag down. So here is the short form of it as well. We can go for the long form. Let's see what will happen when we go for this. Okay, let me go for this one and go for the reborn and date. Okay, then long date. You can see what we have for long date. We can change this back to the short form of it. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button and like the video. Thank you for watching, and God bless.